What does the highlighted text suggest? The highlighted text refers to geographically vague East. The passage in the second paragraph mentions that as you move away from the cradle of civilization, the likelihood of exotic elements increases, and that these alien and exotic lands are generally termed as geographically vague East. So it can be inferred that this highlighted text indicates a general category of lands which are believed to be exotic, and these lands are generally on the east. So that is what this highlighted text indicates. Let's look at the answer choices in that context. Answer choice A, exact location of the east is not known. The highlighted term indicates a general category of lands on the east. It doesn't suggest that the exact location of the lands is not known. Logically, if the exact location is not known, the colonizers would not be able to colonize that. However, let's keep this answer choice on hold to see if we have a better answer choice. Answer choice B, in the colonizers' view, the East lacked a specific identity but encompassed alien eastern regions. Yes, this is what is implied by the term here. The passage indicates that all these exotic alien eastern regions were clubbed together as a vague idea of East, which means that the East lacked a specific identity. Also, this term is not geographic in nature. This term is what the colonizers believe. So it is correct to say that this term indicates that in colonizers' view, the East lacked a specific identity but encompassed alien eastern regions. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Now between answer choice A and B, B is a better answer choice because it does better justice to the idea of vague. So let's eliminate answer choice A and keep only answer choice B. Answer choice C, geographical features were vague. The term vague here indicates vagueness of the identity of these lands. It doesn't indicate the vagueness in the features of these lands. So this answer choice can be ruled out. Answer choice D, the East had a vague representation in this map. The passage mentions this map, but that is not in the context of the term geographically vague East. So this answer choice can be ruled out. Answer choice E, East refers to all lands. In the context of the highlighted text, it can be inferred that this term relates to lands on the east and exotic lands. So it is incorrect to say that this term relates to all lands that are believed to be existing. So this answer choice can be eliminated. So the best answer choice we have is B.